na buwan. Ang tanging masasabi ko na lamang sa puntong ito ay God save the Philippines. Bukod dito, nais ko na lang ipaabot ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa mga kababayan na patuloy na nagdarasal, sumusuporta, nagtitiwala, at patuloy na nagmamahal sa akin. Manalig kayo dahil sa taong bayan ang tagumpay. Syukran. I know, right? Braille. 3 questions, no follow-up. Okay. Oh. Ay, ayoko na. I'm okay.
In the list of those who signed, ma'am,
Oo.
marami doon, mga inaalala, mga kumpare, mga naging supporters sa inyo.
What's your reaction?
Sabi kasi, di ito lang daw basahin ko. We've already started preparing the moment Franz Castro announced the impeachment plans, which was November of 2023. So November of 2023, there were already lawyers doing their work for the impeachment. So we leave it to the lawyers.
Last question. Last question.
It's not an option. Resignation is not an option.
Wala pa tayo doon, ma'am. Masyado pang malayo yung mga ganyan na mga bagay. Nandun pa lang tayo sa pagbabasa ng actually, ma'am, wala pa tayo doon dahil yung mga abogado lang yung nagtatrabaho. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong ginagawa nila. But I have a meeting with them.
Last question, please.
The president said he has nothing to do with the impeachment.
I do not want to answer that question. Next.
Mag-confirm po ba na si dating Pangulong Duterte isa sa mga abogado niyo para sa impeachment case?
I do not want to answer that question. Yes, ma'am.
Nakikita niyo po ba na may ihahalin tulad ng sitwasyon ng bansa sa 1984 ni George Orwell?
I do not want to answer that question. Last.
Question. Last question.
Paniwala ko lang, no, if you have to explain or defend your signature in a yes petition for impeachment, then you feel that you have done something wrong. Kasi kung wala ka namang ginawang mali, bakit mo i-defend yung pirma mo?
Thank
So
you.
yun yung paniwala ko.
Ma'am, naniniwala po ba kayo na may gumalaw po for the impeachment? May gumalaw po na parang money for...
I do not want to answer that question. Yes.
Endorsing senators, lalo na po sa PDP slates, especially that may possibility na mag-overlap yung